This week on your homework, you're going to see what says, look at the division problem, then put it in expanded form. It's in preparation for our division lesson next week, which is a little bit difficult. So if we master the first step this week, the next week will be a lot easier. So here's our example, 683 divided by 12. So I'm going to put parentheses 600. And 600 is because there's 6 with 2 decimals digits after it, plus 80 plus 3 divided by 12. And that's basically all that I want you to master this week on this skill. I will go ahead and work the steps out so maybe you can get ahead. But other than that, for homework, this is all I want you to do. And then once you do this, then I want you to use the area model of division to solve it. So I'll go ahead and use the area model, and then I will work out the distributive model after that. So we draw our box. We put 683 in our box, and we put 12 on the outside. We draw our arrow. I'm going to make my cheat sheet up here. Remember, we're trying to get close to 68 without going over. So I see that it's 5, so I'm going to put 5 up here and 1 0. And 6 times 5 is 60. And then we add that 0 and we subtract, we get 83. So in my second box, I get 83. And if I look at my cheat sheet, I need to keep going. And that's 84. That's too big. So I put 6. 72, we subtract, and we have 11. When we add it together, we get 50 plus 6 equals 56, remainder 11. Now, that's the area model. You guys are very familiar with this. And I told you I was going to go ahead and work the example out up here. And this example is going to use our cheat sheet for 12. So I'm just going to rewrite what we have on the top down here. So that's writing the division problem in expanded form. And then we're going to use some basic cheat sheets to solve. So I know the first 2 digits are 60, so I'm going to look at my cheat sheet, and I see that 12 times 5 is 60. But since we have 2 zeros, then it's going to be 50. And we won't have any remainders because it'll be 600 minus 600. Plus, when we look up here, the closest thing I can get to 80 is 72. So I'm going to put 6. Now, that means that we're going to have to do 80 take away 72, which gives me remainder 8. Plus, 12 cannot go into 3, so that's 0, and we'll have a remainder of 3. Now we add the top numbers, and then we add our remainders. So 50 plus 6 plus 0 is 56. 8 plus 3 is remainder 11. And that's how you work that problem out. It will take us a while to master this model, which is why I wanted to introduce it this week. And for your homework, remember, your goal is to just get this part, understanding how to break the number apart so that we can divide it easily.